The global crypto market cap reaches its highest level in the last 1 month, while Bitcoin is finally above the US dollar 24,000 mark. That said, there are quite a few turbulences happening in the Indian cryptocurrency landscape, with quite a few tensions between Binance and India's leading cryptocurrency app WazirX. This and much more we will be looking at in Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap. Hi everyone, today we will be talking about all the developments in the cryptocurrency, blockchain, and the Web 3.0 space. Before taking a look at some of the top news of the day and over the weekend, we shall take a look at Bitcoin's price and its bullish trajectory that it has achieved over the last weekend. We see that Bitcoin is finally above the 24,000 US dollar mark and is up by close to 5% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's weekly chart has also seen an improvement, with BTC having an almost 4% increase in price in the last 7 days. On the other hand, Ethereum, the top altcoin, has been rallying in anticipation of the proof of work merge that is set to happen in less than a month now. Ethereum's price has established itself above key resistance levels of 1,750 US dollar mark. It's up by close to 5% in the last 24 hours, while it has seen a close to 8% appreciation in price over the last 1 week. Moving on, some of the top gainers of the day were the Graph token, which was up by close to 23%, Flow blockchain's FLOW token, which is up by close to 15%. Avalanche has been noting a decent uptick in price owing to the rise in NFT trading volumes. Chainlink has been up by close to 12% in the last 24 hours and 15% in the last 1 week. Oasis Networks, Rose token, ThorChain's Rune, and Near Protocol's Near token were a few other top gainers in the market as the larger market sees a bullish momentum at large. Moving on to one of the top news of the day, Chainlink Network has said that Chainlink Labs is following a rigorous quality assurance in preparation of the Ethereum merge. However, the Chainlink protocol and its services will not be available on the proof of work fork. This means that Chainlink protocol will not be supporting the proof of work fork, while at the time of the announcement, Chainlink's price wasn't much affected by this announcement. Whether this could lead to a significant strain for Chainlink in terms of supports is something that remains to be seen. Getting back to one of the top news from the Indian cryptocurrency and blockchain landscape, we see that there are quite a few tensions between WazirX, which is an Indian exchange, and Binance. Earlier, WazirX was owned by Binance. However, amid recent inquiries by the ED, there have been considerable emergences of different narratives in the space. Nishal, who is the founder of WazirX, has said that the deal initially involved Binance patenting the entity, or Binance becoming a parent entity. However, CZ had in a recent tweet mentioned that Binance had asked for WazirX to transfer system source codes. However, the same has not been done, and CZ also accused WazirX of being uncooperative with Binance as it was uncooperative with the ED. Whether WazirX is uncooperative with the ED is something that ED mentioned in the press release released. However, the founders of WazirX have still advocated the exchange and have said that they have been cooperating with the Indian authorities for now. That said, the lending and trading as well as deposits and withdrawals from the exchange have not been affected much. Founders of WazirX also cleared that Binance charges all the fee of crypto to crypto trading as well as crypto withdrawals. On the other hand, WazirX itself charges INR to crypto trading fees and INR deposits and withdrawal fees. In a statement released via Twitter, WazirX had also claimed that they have been fully cooperating with the Enforcement Directorate for the several days and have responded to all the queries. They are working transparently with the governing bodies. However, the ED press release says otherwise, and so does CZ. So how is this situation going to pan out is something that will be awaited by crypto market participants in the Indian landscape. With Bitcoin's price gaining a good momentum, it's time to look at Bitcoin's daily chart to assess where the price can land itself in the coming days. With the larger momentum tilting towards bullish, we can see that one of the crucial support resistance lines, which was around the 24,000 US dollar mark, has been breached by Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin had tested this resistance line in July end as well, and around July 20th. If price establishes itself above this key resistance mark, and we can see Bitcoin's price above the 24,300 US dollar mark, we can expect prices to rise in the near future. For now, a look at Bitcoin's daily chart corresponding with the relative strength index, or the RSI, highlights that while buying pressure is dominant in the market, there's a steady rise of buyers. However, trade volumes are more or less maintaining the same status quo that they had been for the last couple of weeks. We can see that trade volumes are relatively higher as compared to June beginning, but trade volumes are not noting the massive uptick that they did during previous rallies. Once trade volumes are above the certain level that they need to, we can expect a decent retail euphoria to kick Bitcoin's price for newer gains. Lastly, we shall take a quick look at some of the top losers of the day. We can see that despite the bullish momentum in the market, there are some coins that kept on losing momentum in terms of price. Decreed, which is considered a Bitcoin killer, is noting a considerable downtick in terms of price. We can see that DCR, or Decreed token, was up by close to 50% in the last 1 week. However, with Bitcoin gaining momentum once again, seems like Bitcoin killers are not on investors' plate anymore. That said, privacy tokens like Monero and Chiliz were also noting minor downtick in price. Likewise, Unisat's token LEO was also noting a dip in terms of price. However, the larger market, if you look at the top tokens in terms of market cap, we can see that most of the market is noting a healthy uptick in terms of price. So can this week be a game changer for the cryptocurrency market? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching this video. If you like our content, don't forget to click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting content around cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and the Web 3.0 space. I'll see you tomorrow with another new video. Until then, bye bye.